Hello everyone, today I'm gonna do an unboxing and a review of the Oster Belgian waffle maker. This is the one I purchased from Amazon. I paid $17.99. It was one of the cheapest ones. There was another brand that was a little bit cheaper, but they were very small. So I decided to buy this one because it's a full-size waffle. So it says it's a stainless steel housing, non-stick waffle plates, adjustable temperature control, oven ready to cook lights, cool touch handle. So let's unbox it and see how it looks. There we go. This is my first time buying a waffle maker. I've never had one, and I always wanted to make some waffles, so we'll see how it looks. Sorry about the camera. Alright, so basically all we got is the waffle maker. Oh, okay, we got a manual too. I wonder if it has any recipes. Probably not. No, it's just basically welcome guide, care and cleaning, warranty. Yeah, that's about it. I wish some of this had some like recipe for different kind of waffles, but they don't. I'll just have to find them online. So this is basically how it looks. It's you know, it's a bit heavy. I'm assuming because it's stainless steel, but it has this paper. So it's gonna make one. It's gonna make one waffle, but it's gonna have like 4 sides to it, I'm assuming. Yeah, I don't know how many inches it is. It's probably, I would say 6 inches. Doesn't say on the box, but it looks like as big as my hand, but I would say 6, probably 6 inches. But yeah, it looks nice. So I'm gonna, you know, clean it up a bit. Even though it's new, I'm still gonna clean it. I always clean stuff out of the box, but I'm gonna clean it up, and then I'm gonna make some pancake mix, and I'll be back, and we'll put some pancake mix and try it out to see how it works. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. I made my pancake mix. I used this Harry and David pancake mix. But yeah, you can also use it for waffles. So that's what I used. The directions say put 3/4 of a cup inside. So let me see how this. I'm gonna turn it on. So, well, you can do it dark, or this would be very light. So I'm gonna do one in between. Now it's gonna heat it up, I'm assuming. And once it turns green, we're gonna put the waffle mix inside. Hopefully it doesn't take long. Alright, so it finally turned green. It's ready to go. It took about, I would say about a minute, 45 seconds to a minute, and it's extremely hot. So you gotta be careful, make sure you touch it on the handles only. I'm gonna do a light grease with some Pam. Even though it says it's non-stick, but still, I don't wanna take a chance. Now we're gonna do 3/4. This is 1 cup, so I'm gonna try doing 3/4. Alright. This seems like it's, hopefully I don't make a mess. There we go. Feel like it needs a little bit more. Come on. There we go. I mean, it's, you know, hopefully I put enough, but I guess we'll see. So I guess the light stays on, the green stays on, so I'm not sure if the green is gonna, okay, now it disappeared. So I'm gonna assume once the turns green again, it's good to go. I can take it off. All right, so it turned green. It smells really good. That was fast. That was maybe like 45 seconds. Ooh, it looks good. Let's see if it's non-stick. Wow, it is non-stick. I mean, I did use some pan. Maybe I'll do, oh, crap. Let me see. Trying to take it off. I don't think I can do it this way. All right, here we go. Put it back, we'll let it cool. Let's do one more. This time I'm not gonna do any pan. Let's see, I just gotta do it. So this looks like it's about 3/4. Let's pop it in. And that was fast actually. It took shorter time than it did to heat it up. There we go. Pop it back in. Ooh. I'm gonna turn it on to get a little bit, I want it a little bit more well done, but this looks nice. It looks like it's done. I'm just gonna let it cool down. I'm gonna give it a try. It smells really good. That blueberry mix. But yeah, let's see if it's gonna go. I'm gonna go all the way to a little bit darker. There we go, it's done. This one looks a little bit darker. I'm gonna unplug it now because I'm only gonna make 2. I think that's enough just for myself. And it looks a little bit darker than the first one. And this one we didn't use no PAM. What do you call PAM spray. And it came off right away. I don't even have to clean it. No mess, no nothing. So thumbs up for that. I love it when it doesn't make a mess. But yeah, I just unplug. It gets really hot, but it doesn't smoke. It just has that a bit of steam. Waffles look really good and fluffy. I forgot to mention, I did use the milk instead of the direction says cold water, but I use cold milk. I feel like the waffles are a bit better with the milk. Next time I'll do it, I have another pack, I'll do it with water, just to see what the difference is. But from what I read online, it's that milk gets them more fluffy. But all right, I'll be back in a bit. I'm gonna let them cool down a bit, then I'll give them a try. All right, so now I'm gonna do a taste test. This is more taste test about the waffle mix than it is about the waffle maker, because the waffle maker did them really good. They're very, very soft, so they're not crispy. As I said before, this is my first waffle maker. They're very, very fluffy and soft. This will be the little bit darker one. This will be the one I set up on a medium setting. They pretty much look the same. So I don't know. Let's try the light one first. Oh yeah. They're very well done. You don't feel any mush inside, like in the middle. Very, very fluffy. I mean, I'm eating them without any syrup or anything. They're very sweet because they're blueberry. Oh yeah, this one feels a little bit different. You can taste this one is a little bit more, how would I say, a little bit more well done. You can notice that on the crust. Even though it doesn't look like in color, but there's a little bit of difference. Honestly, I think I prefer this one medium settings. This one is a little bit more dry. See how much a little bit of setting. So the first one I had set on half, the other one was all the way to max. So I prefer the half settings. It's a little bit more moist. All right, that's about it. I mean, the waffle maker works great for 18 bucks. Everybody should get one. It's pretty fast. It takes only 40 to 45 seconds to make one waffle. It's about a 6-inch. So, you know, if you're a grown man, you can probably eat 2 of these. If you're a child, maybe like 1, but for a family, it would take probably 10 minutes to make like 6 to 10 pancakes. No, I'm sorry, waffles. I keep confusing pancakes and waffles, even though it's the same mix, but yeah. So yeah, I definitely recommend this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.